Preparation of food involves washing, cutting, cooking, and seasoning. It's essential for food safety and preventing contamination. Packing is how we arrange food in clean containers to keep it fresh and easy to carry. Marketing is crucial as it helps food sellers promote their items, ensuring the right people access nutritious meals. We often choose between snacks and main meals. Snacks are quick and often less balanced, while main meals provide essential nutrients. Drinks also matter, with natural and processed options available, but we should choose healthy, low-sugar alternatives. Food sellers must maintain hygiene, wash hands, store items properly, and serve at fair prices to build public trust. When preparation is hygienic, packing is neat, and marketing is effective, everyone benefits with safer meals and healthier communities.